Welcome back. You're watching Election Premier League on Times Now, where we keep our focus on the state of Tamil Nadu, where in only 10 days the polls will take place. The political battleground is heating up with sharp exchanges between the ruling DMK and the opposition NDA alliance. The PMK, which is a key constituent of the NDA, is contesting on 18 seats. Now, this is a party that has a strong one-year voter base and has influence in northern districts. It has now stepped up its attack on the DMK, raising concerns over law and order, women's safety and corruption. At the same time, the alliance is also projecting confidence of a strong performance while maintaining its stand on key regional issues like NEET and education policy. In an exclusive conversation with Times Now, PMK chief Anbumani Ramadas spoke about NDA strategy, his party's position and why he believes the DMK is losing ground.
Joining us now for an exclusive conversation is PMK leader and chief Mr. Anbumani Ramadas. Sir, you've begun your campaign for the upcoming assembly elections in Tamil Nadu. How is the ground looking for the NDA? What do people tell you when you meet them?
See, we are receiving tremendous ground support from all walks of life, especially the women, parents, who are angry with the DMK government because women's safety is their priority. You have so many incidences every day of women being harassed, being sexually abused, raped and murdered. And not only women, but children, young children as 2.5-year-old child, 4 years, 8 years. And we have so many incidences. People are very angry with the DMK government because they have not done anything to curb it. And in their election manifesto recently released by the Chief Minister, Mr. Stalin, not one word or whisper has been about alcohol or curtailing drug abuses or narcotic drugs. Like every day, 35 children have been abused in Tamil Nadu. Every day. Every day, 5 people have been murdered, are being murdered in Tamil Nadu. This is not a cooked up statistics. The statistics by the government themselves, they are given like. So this is the status of Tamil Nadu, and people, women, parents are angry with the DMK. The farmers are completely distressed with the DMK. They have been left out of any sort of development and farmers. The fishermen, they were voting for DMK last election. This election, they have completely said that no, enough is enough.
To say that the anti-incumbency will play out in the DMK's side negatively.
Absolutely, absolutely. See, Tamil Nadu always flips.
Yeah.
The last 40 years, Tamil Nadu has always flips the incumbent, except for 2016 when, in fact, I stood alone. So because of us, the ADMK didn't flip like. So this election, differently. Even see, last election, after 10 years of ADMK rule, DMK could get only 125 MLAs. The majority is 118. They could get themselves 125, plus 8 MLAs were from different parties contesting in the assembly. After 10 years. Now, 5 years of DMK rule, DMK is going to be demolished in this election. And our alliance, the ADMK-led NDA alliance in Tamil Nadu, will get more than 200 seats. I'm very confident in that. This election is a direct contest between ADMK and DMK. That's it. Full stop.
But they call this a battle between Tamil Nadu and Delhi.
So if an alliance is there in the center and the state, same alliance is there, state will be hugely benefited. Infrastructure, funds or whatever you get, definitely will be benefited. And that will be a benefit to the state. Rather than, it will be a boon rather than a bane.
So the accusation here is that, the alliance partners of the BJP, they've become slaves to the BJP, including the ADMK, that you're all traveling all the way from Chennai to Delhi to meet the Home Minister. ADMK is the head of the alliance, then why are those leaders not coming to Chennai to meet APS, and why is it otherwise?
See, that is the only thing they could say. Why do you need a 30-party alliance, DMK? Why does DMK need a 30-party alliance? Because he's scared. Mr. Stalin is scared, worried that he's going to lose. He doesn't know the name of 30 parties also.
In issues like the NEET examination, delimitation, national education policy, etc., the BJP supports all these, things. But the parties from Tamil Nadu, the regional parties, including the ADMK, which are part of the NDA alliance, what is going to be the stance of these parties, especially in terms of PMK? What is it that you're going to take as a stance in these matters? Because these concern the daily lives of Tamils a lot.
Absolutely. See, as parties, regional parties, we have our own ideologies, we have our own policies. Like this election, we have got together. Even though we're having different ideology, we come together because to dethrone the corrupt DMK. On that common agenda, we have come together. definitely we will fight for our Tamil Nadu's rights. We will fight for my party's policies, ideologies. I will fight for it. Edappadi Palaniswamy will fight for his party's ideologies and Tamil Nadu's rights. We're not just because of alliance, we're not going to let go of our rights. Definitely we will fight for all these things. Like my party is anti-NEET, and we will stand strong on that. Like we will try to persevere the center. Whether it's a education policy or NEET or all the issues like pertaining to Tamil Nadu, we will not yield 1 inch.
So you're not interested in the idea of a coalition government, sir?
No, see, we have come together. It is the ADMK headed alliance, and it is going to be ADMK rule in Tamil Nadu, and that I'm clear on that. Like